Good evening, YouTube family. Welcome back to the Lotto Codebreaker YouTube channel. We are going to do the predictions for the UK 49s, the lunchtime draw. Yes, the lunchtime draw. The strategies that we are using, guys, we are actually on fire and we are actually onto something, because we are going to be making sure that on a daily basis we eat, right? It's all about eating, guys. All right. Let me just take a step aside a bit. Ghost Lotto 749. Ghost 749. The strategy I have for you is also a code strategy, right? I've got code 572. So from the code 572, we've got a banker 5, 7, and then 2. So now when we are now reversing it back, we've got 25, we've got 27, right? Those are the numbers that we have. Then we go 5 plus 7 plus 2, we have 14. This is Ghost Lotto. This is Ghost Lotto, guys. This is the code for Ghost Lotto and the numbers for Ghost Lotto, which is 6 numbers. Okay, all right. Coming back to UK 49s. So on UK 49s, on lunchtime, we had 2 nice codes, right? We had a code actually on tea time. Lunchtime, everything came nice. Remember, we had 42 that I gave you last night, and I gave you 16. Yes, 4 was there, but we missed it, right? We missed it, but 4 was there. All right. So now, on tea time, we had a code 91. The code 91, I actually had written it down as 9, 1, 10, and 19. So for it to give us that 10. But when I posted, I removed the 10 for some reasons. I don't know why. So there was a 10 there. Then we had a 56, right? We had a 56 calculation, which was giving us 5, 6, 11, and 46. Then we had 6, which came, I think the 6 I did give it to you guys. Okay, all right. So nevertheless, we proceed, right? We proceed. So now coming to lunch for tomorrow, we still have the same numbers that I'm taking from our chart, which is the 901B chart. I still have got the same the same numbers, right? So say 41, 46, right? 6 and 16 and 42. Yes, I still have the same numbers. This number can be spinned to 14, right? To 14. It can still be spinned to 14. So those are the numbers that are on top on my calculations. Now, we go to the next one. We have got 32. 32 multiplied by 49 is giving us 15. Sorry, let me just give you the straight answer. It's 1568. 1568. So when it's like this, we're expecting a 15, 16, and 18. Okay, 3 numbers from that strategy. Okay, then the next one, then the one that we had that gave us 15, it's giving us 256. 256, we've got 25, we've got 26, two numbers from this one, two numbers. Say 2 plus 5 plus 6 is actually 18. So we have got two numbers from there, right? We've got two numbers. Sorry about that. Okay. The next one is now the bonus multiplied by the date. Okay, 32 multiplied by 4 is 128. 128 is giving us 12, is giving us 28, is giving us 18. 18. If you put a comma there, you have got 18, right? What I normally do when it comes to a code like this, I normally split the code. First, 128, that is a pair. Second is 12, 8, that is a separate pair as it is. Right? Then the same code 128, take this number, it's a 3, 38, play it like this. You see wonders tomorrow. So I'm giving you 38 as a very good number for tomorrow, right? 38. I'm also writing it down here so that I don't miss it. Then don't forget what I have just told you now. Look at the code. Split it here. You've got 1 paired with 28. Split it from here. You have got 12 paired with 8. These are the numbers that you must just play so that you don't get disappointed when something so easy like this just happens. Right? So that you don't get disappointed. All right, so now we are done with this, and we are now going to the situation of saying the numbers that we have, guys, and the pairing. How do we survive in situations like this? How do we survive in situations like this? Okay, the numbers that I gave you first, 41, 46, 42, 16, right? These numbers, they can give you straight pairs from here. Remember, when I gave you these numbers, two numbers came from here. So I want you guys to have 41 paired with 6, right? 41 paired with 6. That's the first one that I want you guys to survive on. You get something from there. You get something from there. Then going forward, you are now going to pair these numbers with some of the numbers from the codes I gave you. I gave you two codes. Those two codes are giving us one number repeatedly, which is 18. Right? Two codes are giving us 18. So you pair with 18 as well. Okay? There is another number that I said, guys, it's a good number, 38. Right? 38. It's one of the best numbers that you can pair with. This is the beginning of how you are pairing your numbers. Then you can go to say, we have got 25, right? From the other line. From the other line. Okay. It will look like you are going to be playing a lot of numbers, but when you win on a daily basis, it will not be many numbers. How many people are playing 3 lines the whole week and they are not catching anything? Right? How many people are doing that? All right. So this is one of the best strategies that I'm showing you guys. Yesterday, I had 4 lines. Today, on lunch, I had 4 lines. tea time, that's where we missed because of the pairing that we did. So since I've been posting, since I started posting, I know you guys are catching something, are eating something from there. Right. That's why I'm giving you guys this advice. It's all about eating, and it's all about you guys withdrawing. Right? It's all about withdrawing. Okay. So I'm leaving this one to you guys. It depends on how you guys are going to take it, but you are going to survive with this, right? You are going to survive with this. All right. So what else should I wanted to say? There's something I wanted to say about these numbers. I wanted to give you something. There's something I wanted to give you. All right. I wanted you guys to monitor the hot and colds. The hot and colds. Just monitor those numbers, guys. There is something big coming. I will give you something for tea, because these hot and colds, they are working on tea time. So I want you guys to make sure you monitor them. We had 42, the one that we had in the afternoon, it is actually on the hot numbers. Then there is 9, which is sitting on cold numbers. Okay. All right. So this is what I have for you guys. Don't forget the Ghost Lotto that I've predicted for tomorrow, the first draw for Ghost Lotto in the morning. I gave you the numbers for that one. And then in the morning, I'm going to send Ghost Lotto 5, the 645. Yes, I'll send the Ghost Lotto 645. Then I'm going to send as well a prediction for SA Daily as well. Okay, so good luck, guys. Good night.